Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So, guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to explain you how exactly we can delete a value from the text field. So, we have already studied how exactly we can delete a value from the text field using a keys delete dot a tab by using a multiple times inside a for loop. The another approach for that particular one is there is another simple approach for that particular one. For that, what I'm doing means let me consider this example. If you see right now in this particular, okay, this is the advanced example. Let me scroll down a bit further. Okay, let me scroll down a bit further. Yeah, this is the example that we used earlier. Okay, so function 99 delete. Okay, I'm just creating a new function for our convenience. Yeah. So here, what I'm doing right now is I'm launching the app and I'm entering demo user into the text field. Okay, let me save it and let me debug it. I just want to show you how exactly we can delete a character by character from that particular text field. Okay, so let us see. In the simulator, if you observe right now, it entered a demo user and the keypad on the mobile, it's being showing up. The precondition in order to handle this approach is the keypad should be populated. If at all you are using an external keypad in the keyboards, you need to consider, you need to change this option of the simulator. So the approach, whatever I'm explaining to you will work out whenever the keypad is a point, whenever the keypad is in an active state. Okay. So here, PO app.keys. So I was just using app.keys. So what it's gonna happen as and when I use an app.keys, all the keys whichever we have on the keyboard are showing up. And in the last session, I guess we used this delete, right? What we have done pivot app.keys of a delete of a tab, and I used in a for loop for multiple times, right? So this time, what I'm doing is press for a duration of 2 seconds. So what I'm doing here, I am asking my XCUI test, whichever the delete key is there, press this for 2 seconds. As and when it is pressing for 2 seconds, what it will happen is the entire value from the text field will be deleted. See here, one after another, all those things got deleted. So immediately someone may ask me, Surendra, why are you giving it as a 2 seconds? Why can't we give it as a 1 seconds? It's up to you. If you give it as a 1 seconds and it's getting deleted, that's fine. Ultimately, our objective is we need to do a press operation on that particular key, which will internally deletes the value from that text field. So here, copy this command and update this command here. And what I am doing right now is after entering a value and before deleting that, wait for 1 second and then delete it and then terminate it. Okay, and then terminate it. Perfect. So I have my logic here. Let me try to run the program and check it out whether it is entering a value and whether it is deleting a value. And guys, another thumb rule that you need to consider here is if at all you are connecting any external wireless keyboards to your laptop, this you may encounter an issue basically when you are dealing with an external keyboard. In order to handle this scenario, please make sure that you are not connecting your keyboard. The reason why I'm explaining is couple of minutes before I did an external keyboard connection and I tried and I encountered different sets of issues. The different sets of issues itself means the keypad on the mobile is not being populated as the external keyboard is, from that keyboard settings, basically the external keyboard is playing a vital role. That's the reason I disconnected my external keyboard and then it's working right now. So even a suggestion for you is don't connect your external keyboard whenever you are dealing with these kinds of keys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.